me demonstrate how to track the moves of savvy traders in the market. When you witness a strong move like this, it's crucial to understand that such movements are typically driven by major institutions. How do we identify this? Observe the size of the candles. A significant green candle followed by another substantial green one, followed by a massive pin bar candle, and yet another sizable candle. The absence of resistance indicates the involvement of significant players driving this upward movement. So, what should a retail trader do? It's simple. Identify a demand zone and patiently wait for the price to retrace back to this key area. Once the market revisits this zone, keep an eye out for a price action signal. For instance, take a look at this engulfing bar candlestick pattern. It's a strong buy signal. Place your entry accordingly. Position your stop loss below the zone and aim for the next resistance level. See what happened next. The market reached the targeted level, offering us an excellent risk-to-reward ratio. If you want to learn more, download your ebook, the link is in the bio, or send us a private message.